Hello guys, welcome to the new video. So in today's videos we are going to demonstrate a new project. So the project title is Music Management Systems, and we have made this project using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP and the database. For the database we are using MySQL. The tools that we have used in this project is VS Code, and for the database I'm using XAMPP server, but you can use another like WAMP or Workbench also. As I am compatible with the XAMPP, so I mostly use the XAMPP server. And how you can download this project, if you are interested in this project, I will tell that how you can download this project in the end of this video. First, check the demonstrations, complete demonstration of this video in this project. So we have two modules, one is admin and another is staff modules. Admin have the all authorities, like in that he can add the users, staff users, music, delete music and other things also. But staffs can only add music or delete music, not admin cannot add the users. So like homepage, it will display all the categories that we have added currently in this project. As currently we can check the music in this category don't have any music. Like if I check the rock, it will display one music here, as I have added only one music in this category. Inside the music, we have three options. One is for downloading, one is for the play, and one is for the information of that music. Like if I just select this one, so it will automatically download this music. If I play this, then it will start playing this music, and if I select this one, it will give me the information of that project. So this is for the front end or the normal user, for the normal user. And here it will display the gallery, means all the music we have added in this project. It will display all the music, but you can search the, if you want to search any music, you can search from here also, like music 101 101. So it will display that music. Now we just open the admin panel, just select the admin panel and log in with the admin and admin. So it's open our admin panel. Now admin have all the authorities, like adding music, adding user and system information. We can update the system information, like we can update the name of the project, or we can update the logo, we can update the website cover page. Here we can add the users. If I want to add a new user, act as a staff, so I can add the new user also. And if I want to delete or edit this user that I have already added, so we can edit from here also. Now here is a list of music. It will display all the music that we have currently we have. And if I want to edit or delete any music, I can select here. If I want to remove any music, I can remove from here. And if I want to add a new music, then I can add music from here. If I want to add new music, here is a list, category list. Currently we have these for only five categories for the music, but we can add more also if I want to add in this project. Now here's a desktop, and as we have login as an admin, now we can add as a staff. We can log in as a staff also. Now decode it and then decode it. Okay, I think the password is changed. Now we can try to log in here. I think the password is changed, but we can check here that what is the password and decode it. I think the password is decode it, and I am using that. Okay, now I have login as an staff. So now it will display me only the music section, not the adding user or removing user. I cannot add or remove any user. I can only check the music, and I can add only the music section. So it will display the music section here, and here I can remove or add any music. So this is all about the project music management systems. All the data in this project are stored in the database. Here's the data of this project, And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel for this type of the project. And if you are interested in this project, you can check the description and connect with me. I will inform you about this project. So thank you for watching this video.